Unveiling the enigmatic world of crystals, separating myth from mystical truth. Are you captivated by the allure of crystals, those shimmering fragments of the earth that whisper of ancient energies and hidden realms? Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery, where we'll unravel the common misconceptions surrounding these mystical treasures and reveal the authentic power they hold for collectors like you. For centuries, crystals have been shrouded in both reverence and misunderstanding. As discerning collectors, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction, ensuring that our appreciation is rooted in genuine knowledge and respect for these natural wonders. Let's dispel some of the most prevalent myths. Myth 1: Crystals as medical miracles. The allure of crystals often leads to the misconception that they can replace conventional medical treatment. While crystals can undoubtedly offer solace, enhance focus during meditation, and amplify intentions, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice or care. Think of them as companions on your wellness journey, not replacements for qualified healthcare providers. Myth 2: Size matters, the bigger the better. The sheer size of a crystal can be visually impressive, but it doesn't necessarily equate to greater power. The true potency of a crystal lies in the quality of its energy, its resonance with the user, and the intentions imbued within it. A smaller, carefully chosen crystal can be just as effective, if not more so, than a larger one lacking in energetic vibrancy. Myth 3: Healing exclusivity. Only certain crystals possess healing properties. The belief that only specific crystals possess healing properties limits the vast potential of the mineral kingdom. Every crystal, in its unique composition and structure, holds the potential to offer healing, depending on the individual's needs and resonance. Explore the diverse spectrum of crystals and discover which ones resonate most deeply with your own energetic signature. Myth 4: Belief-dependent power. Crystals only work if you believe. While belief can certainly enhance the experience, crystals emit energy and vibrate at specific frequencies, regardless of whether you consciously believe in their power. Their inherent properties interact with our own energy fields, creating subtle shifts and influences that can be felt even without explicit faith. Approach them with an open mind and allow their energies to work their magic. Myth 5: Instant magic. Crystals as wish-granting stones. Crystals are not magical stones that bring about immediate, effortless change. They are tools for amplifying positivity, fostering mental peace, and supporting physical well-being. Their effects are often subtle and cumulative, requiring patience, intention, and consistent engagement. Embrace them as partners in your personal growth journey, not as shortcuts to instant gratification. Myth 6: Polished perfection. The more polished, the more potent. The aesthetic appeal of a polished crystal is undeniable, but it has no bearing on the energy it emits. The beauty of a crystal is subjective and separate from its inherent energetic properties. Focus on the crystal's composition, origin, and resonance, rather than solely on its polished surface. Myth 7: Gifted supremacy. Crystals given as gifts hold greater power. The intention behind a gift can certainly add a layer of sentimentality, but it doesn't inherently amplify the crystal's power. Whether a crystal was gifted or purchased, its energetic properties remain the same. The key is your connection with the crystal and the intentions you set with it. Myth 8: Power depletion. Crystals lose their power over time. Crystals don't lose their power, but they can absorb ambient energy, which can sometimes block their natural vibrations. Regular cleansing and charging practices help to restore their energetic clarity and maintain their optimal performance. Think of it as tending to a precious tool, ensuring it remains in peak condition. Myth 9: Universal cleansing. All crystals can be cleansed the same way. Not all crystals are created equal when it comes to cleansing. Some methods, like prolonged exposure to water, can damage delicate stones. Research the specific properties of each crystal in your collection and choose cleansing methods that are appropriate for its composition and fragility. Now that we've debunked the myths, let's explore the practical ways you can harness the power of crystals in your daily life, enhancing your collection and deepening your connection to these earthly treasures. Intention setting, amplifying your desires. Hold a crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and focus on your intention. Visualize your desired outcome with clarity and conviction, trusting that the crystal is absorbing and amplifying your intention. This practice can be particularly powerful during meditation or moments of quiet reflection. Meditation, grounding and focusing your energy. Incorporate crystals into your meditation practice to help ground you, maintain focus, and channel energy. Hold a crystal in your palm, place it on your forehead, or align it with your chakras to enhance your meditative experience. Experiment with different crystals to discover which ones best support your individual needs. Environmental enhancement, creating harmonious spaces. Strategically place crystals throughout your home or workspace to create a harmonious and energetically balanced environment. Amethyst can promote tranquility in the bedroom, while citrine can attract abundance in the office. Observe how different crystals affect the energy of your space and adjust their placement accordingly. Self-care rituals, elevating your well-being. Add crystals to your bath water to eliminate negative energy and raise your vibration. Rose quartz can promote self-love and compassion, while clear quartz can amplify the healing properties of the water. Create a luxurious and rejuvenating self-care ritual that nourishes both your body and your spirit. Journaling, unlocking self-discovery. Incorporate crystals into your journaling practice to facilitate self-development and self-discovery. Hold a crystal in your hand as you write, allowing its energy to guide your thoughts and emotions. This can help you access deeper levels of insight and clarity. Personal adornment, wearing your intentions. Carry crystals with you for support throughout the day, or wear them as jewelry to keep their energy close to your body. Choose crystals that align with your intentions, and wear them as a reminder of your goals and aspirations. Energy cleansing, purifying your aura and space. Use crystals as energy cleansers for yourself or your space. Wave a selenite wand around your body to clear away stagnant energy, or place crystals in areas where you feel the energy is blocked or negative. Botanical companions, nurturing your plants. Place crystals with your plants to enhance their growth and vitality. Clear quartz can amplify the energy of the sunlight, while green aventurine can promote healthy root development. Observe how your plants respond to the presence of crystals and adjust their placement as needed. To ensure that your crystals continue to radiate their full potential, it's essential to cleanse and charge them regularly. Here are some effective methods. Cleansing, releasing stagnant energy. Smudging with smoke, pass your crystals through the smoke of sage, palo santo, or other sacred herbs to clear away negative energy. Bathing in moonlight. Place your crystals under the light of the full moon to cleanse and recharge them with lunar energy. Resting on selenite. Selenite is a self-cleansing crystal that can also cleanse other crystals. Simply place your crystals on a selenite plate or wand for several hours. Using sound vibrations. Use a singing bowl, tuning fork, or other sound instrument to create vibrations that dislodge stagnant energy from your crystals. Using rain or soaking in salt water, submerge your crystals in rainwater or salt water to cleanse them. Ensure the crystal is water safe. Burying underground. Bury your crystals in the earth for 24 hours to allow them to reconnect with the earth's energy and release any accumulated negativity. Charging, replenishing energetic reserves. Place them outside or on a windowsill during a full moon. Harness the potent energy of the full moon to recharge your crystals. Exposed to sunlight, allow your crystals to bask in the sunlight for a few hours to replenish their energy. Be mindful of crystals that may fade in direct sunlight, such as amethyst. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to separate crystal myths from mystical truths, it's time to elevate your collection and deepen your connection to these extraordinary gifts from the earth. Embrace authenticity. Seek out reputable sources for your crystals, ensuring that they are ethically sourced and of high quality. Cultivate intuition. Trust your intuition when selecting crystals, allowing yourself to be drawn to those that resonate most deeply with your energy. Experiment and explore. Don't be afraid to experiment with different crystals and techniques to discover what works best for you. Share your knowledge. Share your knowledge and passion for crystals with others, fostering a community of informed and respectful collectors. Take action today. Visit our online store or local boutique to explore our curated collection of exquisite crystals. Sign up for our newsletter to receive exclusive insights, promotions, and invitations to upcoming workshops. Follow us on social media to connect with fellow crystal enthusiasts and share your own experiences. By embracing authenticity, cultivating intuition, and sharing your knowledge, you can transform your crystal collection into a powerful source of inspiration, healing, and personal growth. The mystical world of crystals awaits. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey?